Hello, everyone. It is me, Michael Smith, National Education Manager at Janome Canada, and I'm here with the fabulous Janome MemoryCraft 1000. It's the ideal beginner sewing and embroidery machine. There are 300 stitches and 241 embroidery designs built into the machine. You have so much creative control at your fingertips. Now, our Janome Canada customers have this extra bonus kit include. It's a cute little fresh start kit that you can make this beautiful tote bag sewing and add some embroidery on it if you wish, as well as this pillow, again, complete with buttons and buttonholes that you'll learn how to use your machine. Everything full color instructions included in this fresh start kit, again for Janome Canada exclusive, but also included is this beautiful floral heart design. Now it comes on this convenient Janome USB stick, and you may be wondering, well, how do I get that design from this USB stick into my machine? Well, not to fear, it is so simple. I'll show you how. When transferring the design from the USB stick into the machine, we first need to locate the USB port in the machine. This is the Janome MemoryCraft 1000. Conveniently, the USB port is right at the front of the machine. Sometimes it's more around where the power cord is. Now, it really doesn't matter if your machine is on or off. Me personally, I like to leave my machine off. Then I take my USB stick to plug it into the machine. This has that beautiful heart floral design that we can transfer into our machine to stitch out on a pillow, on a tote bag, even a garment, whatever we choose. Once the USB stick is in the machine, I can turn it on. When we switch our machine on, the LCD screen will automatically go to the regular sewing mode. In order to retrieve our embroidery design, we first need to switch the machine over to embroidery. Very simply, we can just click these two little sewing machine icons. We can use the included stylist, or we could just use our finger on the touch screen to switch this over to embroidery mode. We'll get a message on the screen that tells us to open the embroidery carriage. And then it's going to ask me, do I want to resume my last design? In this case, I'll say no. I want to start something fresh, like that beautiful floral heart. Now, in our embroidery machines, this little flower icon always contains the designs built into the machine. In the MemoryCraft 1000, there are 241 built-in designs, but we don't want one of those designs in this case. We want to retrieve them from that USB stick. We need to go down here to the bottom of the LCD screen, and you'll see this little file folder with the arrow out. This means we want to retrieve a file that's already in a folder. So we can click on that, and then we get this screen to say open file. Now, automatically, everyone wants to start clicking buttons, but we need to see right up here, this icon in the top left. There is a sewing machine highlighted in blue, then a little line, and then a USB icon that is grayed out. So if I start looking for designs in these folders, one says EMB, which is embroidery, the other says ORD, like ordinary sewing. If I start clicking these folders, I'm not going to find my design because that blue sewing machine is highlighted. That means, is the design in the sewing machine in one of these files? Well, no, that's not where our design is. It's on that cute little Janome embroidery flash drive that comes included in your Fresh Start sewing kit. So we need to just tap that icon over to, there is my USB icon illuminated in blue, so I know it's active. And then you'll see, on my USB stick, this is mine personally, so I have way more than just my embroidery folder or the ordinary sewing folder. For yours, it is just going to have your embroidery or ordinary sewing folders. You won't have these other ones there. So when we want to find our design, we say, is it in this embroidery folder, for example, the parent folder? Then I have this subfolder called EMBF, our embroidery folder. So we can click on there. Look, there is our design. Now, again, this was my USB stick, so I have more designs. You will just have this beautiful heart. There it is. You click on it. It will be in that 5.5 by 5.5 hoop, which comes with your machine. We click OK. It tells us to adjust the thread tension dial to number 3, which is average. So in this case, I don't need to do anything. There is my beautiful embroidery design. Now in our Fresh Start Sewing Kit, all of these beautiful colors are included. All the stabilizer, the fabric, everything you need to embroider this comes included in that kit. It is that simple. Janome does all the guesswork for you. Now, sometimes when we're going back to that embroidery folder, and we go back into our embroidery file, and maybe if I see, oh, I don't see my design in one of these files, this little up arrow is your friend, that you can always select it to take you back out of that folder and go up another level. Maybe I had a design in one of these other folders. If I transferred the design from a third-party site on the internet, for example, that I purchased a design and put it on my USB stick, maybe I didn't put it in a folder. So it could be out here somewhere. But again, for yours, heart design that will come on the USB stick, it will be in the embroidery folder, then the EMBF folder. There is our heart design. Click OK, and you're ready to go. Janome's done all the work for you. Happy embroidering.